Just come in, needs a good valet, it's not been cleaned. That is a very rare car. That is in Royal Cherry, Aston Martin Royal Cherry, special order from the factory. You can't buy that regularly. And that car was £100,000 new, believe it or not, which is what it was in 2011. So we're going to go and have a little drive at him, see what he's like, and then get him advertised tomorrow. Needs detailing. Ooh, look at them deployables. Sand interior. Look at the Autobiography leather headlining. Love it, love it, love it. Rear entertainment with speakers, headphones even, electric rear seats, hot and cold, auxiliaries for the children to play games with. Look at these drop down mirrors for your makeup, get on it. Look at that roof lining. Steering wheel there, you can't see it from here, let's zoom in. Wood, walnut and leather, that's over £2,000 just that steering wheel. Needs a good valet. We've got rubber mats and we've got carpet mats, and in there is the remote for those. I love these cars, I do.